Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about the tea tree soap. Oh my gosh, guys, in love with the Dr. C Tuna Tea Tree Soap. This stuff works wonders on cleaning my makeup brushes. I am going to be showing you how I clean my makeup brushes and why it's important to clean them. It's really important that you wash your makeup brushes constantly. And let me tell you why. So, first things first, these collect bacteria, they collect dust, dirt, dead skin cells over time, and this can give you eye infections. This could even give you pimples. We want to get rid of as much dirt and stuff out of these brushes as possible. That way when you're applying it to your skin, you are not applying yucky stuff. Plus, your makeup will go on so much better. As you can see here, this one is quick. Look at that. The bristles are white again. You can really see how much the soap lathers. I keep swirling the brushes until they come out clear in the water. That's how you know they're clean. Guys, like, look. The bristles on this brush are white again. That's amazing. So you guys, I'm so impressed by my really clean makeup brushes. They're so clean. Oh my gosh, like especially my beauty blender, it is unbelievably clean. I have never gotten any product to get it this clean. I've tried hand soaps, I've tried dish soaps, I've tried baby shampoos, and nothing has ever gotten it this clean. So all I do is I just lay all my brushes flat on a clean towel and let them dry overnight. Now guys, this amazing soap bar that you could use for so many different things, washing your body, washing your face, it's great for all skin types. This is only $5.90. And I will drop the link in my comments of how you can purchase this amazing soap for me. And if you become a beauty influencer, you get it for half off. So I really got the soap bar for $2.45, which is a steal, you guys. I am so impressed of this natural tea tree soap. It works amazing and really great for cleaning your makeup brushes. That's the only thing I use it for, but you can use it for so much more if you wanted to. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one.